I had this project on my to-do list for a while. So yesterday and today I was working on these candle holders. I thrifted them from the shops for $1 each. So what I did, I applied the first coat. I wasn't very happy because it was too green. I was aiming for sage green. Then I mixed again my paint, and I got my desired color. I applied 2 more coats. Then when it dried, I applied some gold to give some sort of effect. And the gold I applied with a dry brush. And I'm quite pleased with the result. They look very nice with beige candles. Please let me know in your comments what you think about my project.